Okay, so oh look, I didn't see this before. So apparently there's something here, and I believe that this should go there like this. I think so. Ooh, perfect. So I'm just going to screw this really easy. Okay, screw easy. No. Good. Okay, so here is the thing. If I want to adjust the height, I can put it down like this. There's something here that I will now push, and it will make it stand to the level that I want. So there's something in here that I can use to adjust to whatever level I want. I just need to unscrew it to be able to do that. And screw to that level. So I'm going to see what level this one will give me, and I'll decide if I need to adjust it or not. So perfect. What I'm not sure of is if my table is going to be I'm not sure if my table is going to be wide enough to accommodate two screens, because I'll be using two screens. I've just got in one today, another one will be coming later. But let's see. One screen here, right? One screen there. Looks like a perfect height. Now I've got my dock station, which I'm going to be connecting to my to the screen. Let's see. I guess one of the things that were taught at computer school was how to assemble computers. So, but nowadays, I don't think anyone actually needs to go to computer school to learn how to use the computer or assemble computers. On YouTube, wherever, you can always learn all these things. So here it is. This is my dock station. So I'm going to be connecting a lot of things to this. I'm going to be connecting my my laptop to this, as well as the monitor, right? Let's see. I actually don't like all this nylon, but let's see. So this is my this should be the power cable. This should be the power cable. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. So now I guess I'll be needing an extra extension, because I've got so much plugs to this. Just let me remove this. After some time, I won't be needing this charger. By the time I connect this to the dock station, I won't be needing the charger. And then this is my personal laptop charger. I guess that's going to be on vacation for some time. On this, I'll put it back in the box. I'm going to throw it away. I have my dock station plugged already. Where did this go? No, no, no. Perfect. Perfect. So I've got my dock station already. Power. Yeah, it's on hand. It's on now. Look. Oh no, look. Can you see the light? Yeah. So it's on now, and I'm gonna power my screen, my monitor too, so that I can now connect that. Apparently, this is the power cable. This is the power cable, and then I've got this what? Let's see. So this is the power cable. I just really hope this will be I really hope this will go down very much. Here we go. Okay, and then the wire goes down here. I really look forward to when we don't have to be dragging cables all around, where we just I don't know what they will do, but I love like a cableless life where I don't have to be struggling with wires, with cables under my leg, under my feet. Okay. No. Where's the smoke? Okay, that's my pulse. Good. Now, ta-da! Oh, why do you disappoint me like that? Okay, it was on actually. There was a light that came up, but it went off. Oh, look at that. So it's connected now. It's saying signal cable not connected, so it's waiting for me to connect it with something. So I'm going to do that right away. Do that. Now I should connect this probably with let me see. I know I'll figure it out. You can't afford not to be a tech person in this 21st century. Yeah. Yeah. Is that? Oh, perfect. Look at that. So, and here, where should this go? This is HDMI cable. Good. I want connected my my dock station with this monitor. And now what else? So this tool is probably for connection between the laptop and the monitor. Let's see. But there's this little cable that came with the dock station, which I need to use to connect the laptop with the dock station, Let's see. So I guess this is an extra port in case probably my laptop will not have the space, and then I can decide to use this USB port. We'll figure it out. I'm figuring it out. I need to cut you. I don't want to cut you, but I think I will. Oh no, I don't have to, actually. Here we go. Another one. So let's see how I'll connect my you stay here first. How I'll connect my dock station with my computer. You should come here. Good. And this goes back to the laptop. Where is the laptop? Where is the laptop? You stay by the side first. My notebook stay by the side first. My phone. Wait. Okay, so this particular place where the laptop charger goes, I'm going to remove it, and that is where I'll put the dock cable, the dock station cable. It's just the same mount as the laptop charger, so automatically the laptop will keep charging as long as it's connected to the dock station. That works. No, that works. Now, I'm going to be removing my my mouse, and instead I'll plug it to the monitor instead of a laptop, because I can decide to close my laptop and work with just my screen. I'm supposed to be using actually. USB. Good. Now, what else? Do I still have more cables to connect? Yeah. Let's see. So always the dock station needs to be on all the time. Now it's detecting it. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Ooh, look. So I've had my screen. So my screen is divided into two places now. My mouse is here to work. need to connect the mouse to the dock station. And not the screen. Please take note of that. Now it works. When I connected it to the dock station, it works perfectly. It works perfectly. It works perfectly. So I've got two screens now. I've got my monitor and my laptop screen. When I get my second monitor, it's going to be 3 screen. I can decide to use the 3 screen at the same time, and I can decide to just use 2. I bet at this moment I'm going to just use 2 because I've got no space on my table to use 3 screens. And ta-da, we're done. Isn't that so amazing? So amazing. So the mouse is going to work for the 2 screen. If there are 3, one mouse is going to do the work for the 3 of them. If I want, I can put an extra keyboard, but if I want to manage my space, I can just use the same keyboard that is on my computer instead of getting an extra keyboard. I'll use the same keyboard, and trust me, the keyboard will work for all the screens. So amazing, right? So let's have a look. So I'm typing on my computer. Look, I'm typing on my laptop, and it's showing on my screen here. It's also showing here. So I'm just going to close that. And that is it. That is it. So thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for joining me to assemble my screen. Maybe I'll do another video when I am ready to assemble my second screen. For now, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and follow me for more videos. I'm also on Facebook as Chronicles of a Naija Mom. I'm on TikTok. If you want to connect with me, I'll be so glad to. Thank you. Bye-bye.